Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Thursday, November 9th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold had profit taking from the highs of yesterday. Looking for strength today by breaking today's highs, which we did. Still have some profit taking here. What I do like is the fact that we still we've set a base here now on the daily. You can see the sideways action. We had the high of the bounce here at 1285.10, which broke yesterday, and then we broke to a higher high today. We did that on increasing volume. Regained the 20 MA by a smudge yesterday. More stronger here today. We are getting close to the 4 green line 8 EMAs crossing above the 20 MA here in the middle Bollinger Band, which is currently at 1281.30. And so a little bit leaning towards bull in the shorter to midterm time frames on gold, and I like potentially a back test of the upper Bollinger Band, which is descending. But you can see the Bollinger Bands are getting tight here, and that's due to this to gold building a base. And as it tightens, it should explode one way to the other. The Bollinger Bands on a move to open up either more to the downside or to the upside. And currently the upper Bollinger Band is at 1299.30 and 1263.40 is the lower Bollinger Band on the daily. So as far as the weekly goes, we have established this higher low so far here, which was at 1263.80 from this recent pullback, this pullback here of 1262.80. We went all the way back down to 1263.80, so a little bit of a higher high on the weekly. Again, we had this inside candle at this recent bottom here, and right now we do have a bull break on it at being above 1285.10. The week needs to close above 1285.10 and above this 80 MA, the red line, which is at 1285.50. Want to definitely see increasing bull volume on the weekly. We have one more trading day to go, so we'll see how it goes, or a similar volume on a bull break of this inside candle. Longer term, what you need to pay attention to is this recent high here of 1308.40, because you see the high here. We had a low, we bounced to a lower high. We had a higher low, so we're going to break this lower high trend by breaking above this 1308.40 after that $1,300 psychological level on gold. And if we're unable to break this, then I'm going to look for a lower high to be set, and then another higher high to be set above this recent low of 1263.80, and just potentially just continue to be an equilibrium pattern of higher lows and lower highs until we break one way or the other. But I do like the fact, I will like gold here if we are able to break this inside candle. I will lean more bullish and like a back test of this resistance of 1308.40 on the weekly if we can get similar volume to last week with one more trading day, if we're able to break the inside candle bull by closing above 1285.10 and we regain all these weekly moving averages, the 20 MA, the 4 and 8 EMAs. We'll get a TCG bull cross if that's likely to happen, and then I'd like to see the 4 and 8 EMA cross over the 20 MA here, the red line. As far as the miners go, miners definitely showing more weakness today than gold did. Gold had a nice bounce. Miners bounce is much weaker. And what miners I'm looking for here in the shorter term, it needs to get above this 20 MA. You can see that it's rejected twice, 2 days in a row now, right at this 20 MA, which is at 22.94. And this high here at 23, we broke that by 3 cents. So we did establish a low. We established a high, a higher low here, and a higher high. And so we need to break above this 20 MA. We need that 20 MA to start curling back up so we can go back and retest this upper Bollinger Band, which is descending. And again, whereas gold held a higher high on the weekly, miners was unable to do so and set a lower low. So high, low, lower high, and lower low, whereas gold is holding a higher low. So this could be this is healthy consolidation here on the weekly. After this consolidation, we had a move broke to this above this recent high here. Not by much. Let me see. Did it break that 25.71? Yeah, no, we didn't break it. So we still have this resistance here. We set a lower high here on this weekly bounce attempt, but after this move up, this is still pretty healthy consolidation. Ideally, it'd be a big red flag if we lose this low here of 21, but that's far off. So I'd like to see the same thing I'm looking for on gold. I'd like to see increasing bull volume as it regains that 20 MA and the 480 MA gets a TCG bull cross. But I'm not really playing miners these days. I've been playing strictly gold plays because of how the disparity between gold and miners, how gold has been stronger than miners in recent trading, in recent trades. So focusing on golds, focusing on GLD calls. Also today, just make us note here that, come on, calm. It works. All right. Pointed out to the chat room that there were GLD buyers coming in today. Like we got another GLD buyer right before close. 1,400 contracts, a little bit over 1,400 contracts for November 24th expiration at 127 strikes. So definitely had some call buying today for gold bulls. So that's another thing that is in favor of the gold bulls, showing that the money is going towards bull bets right now in the shorter term, seeing as a lot of these contracts are in November for gold bulls. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.